So we have arrived to Siracusa, and then we found this. This is close to our accommodation. It's an eyesore, but I don't know. It looks like it's burned. But why did they leave it like that? It's in a very, very good location. So something happened and they just left it. Piazza della Republica. And we are now going to eat sushi. What do you say to sushi?
Yeah, sushi, here we come.
Yeah, sushi, here we come. We accidentally bought or ordered too many things. I copied over some of the numbers down here and we got everything in double. So my husband had to eat 4 portions of meat and I ate some chicken because otherwise we would have left a huge amount of food and I didn't want to leave the food. So alright, now we have really stuffed our faces and I don't know how we are going to be able to walk the whole day now after this. Or maybe we can because of that. Anyway, this place is nice. This is the place. 18 euros for all you can eat. So I recommend you come here, and the portions are bigger than we expected because normally you get a small bowl of rice and now we've got a huge plate. Oh, this is going to be the end of us. I don't know what this place is, but it looks impressive. This is a park, looks really nice. We have to find out what this is. In memoria della resistenza e della guerra di liberazione. Some kind of liberation war. So we are now stepping on land on Ortigia Island, Ortigia or Ortigia. Did you see fish? Yeah, so we have a boat trip booked for tomorrow. So let's see what happens. I'm so happy to be around ocean again. This is my happy place. The ocean and the smell of the seawater. When we came here, the first impression that we had, both of us, it was like, wow, how is it possible that it's so flat here? We don't see mountains anywhere. So, okay, we are at the beach side, so you don't expect mountains here anyway, but it's so weird compared to Ragusa. When we came here, the first impression that we had, both of us, it was like, wow, how is it possible that it's so flat here? We don't see mountains anywhere. So, okay, we are at the beach side, so you don't expect mountains here anyway, but it's so weird compared to Ragusa. We ended up here in this kind of little piece of paradise. There's an ancient tree here. The tree trunk there is so big you could actually build a house there. Or two. And we found the beach. It's so crazy. There's a pier, it's covered in sand. Alright. Needless for me to say that we are again in my paradise. It's so nice. And again, my husband is filming there and I'm filming him. Too bad the fountain seems to be closed.
Oh my god.
There's a swan behind the tree there.
That is nice.
So here we are in the end of the Ortigia island. There's some kind of ruins. I need to check what it is, and it's a military zone. So there's actually a gate that they lock in after certain hours. So you don't have free access here, and the castle area there is closed. So I noticed that I am getting very tired. I'm drinking a slushy. It's too sweet for me, but it's cold, so it will keep me going for the next 2 hours or 3 or 4. So it started to rain a little bit, which is quite welcome because the weather has been very, very pressing. But look at this. I mean, look at me too, but so this is a funny thing. There's a staircase that goes down to the beach and people are actually swimming in there. And it's basically just the ocean that ends to the brick wall. And still being very amazed by the fact that it's so flat here. We are so used to the Ragusan mountain range or hill range, well, they are mountains, that everything here seems so flat. So here I was just saying that it's so weird to think that some people live here. And okay, we have people coming to Ibla, Ragusa Ibla, and saying the same about Ibla, that imagine people are living there. And yeah, we are living there. So crazy. So here we are looking at the corner there that looks like that is going to collapse. So we are going to be walking over that corner. It's making me a little bit soft on the knees, but here we go. Same thing happening here. And here there's actually stairs going to a platform, and you can just descend to the ocean to swim from the brick wall. And then I would like to point out to these, why are you doing this into historical monuments that are priceless? This shit is not priceless. This is shit. Shit comes and goes. But these kind of structures and the buildings, they are here to stay.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight.
May I repeat once again that this is my paradise. The only thing that I need now is to go to swim, and I'm regretting it so much that we didn't take our swimsuits with us. I mean, we have them here with us, but they are in the accommodation. So, oh, cool. This one is for sale. I'm sure the whole house is like 50,000 euros or less. And then you just have to fix it. Nice fixer-upper for a handyman. Bed and breakfast, Belvedere, San Giacomo. It's been a nice place one day in the past. Once in the past.
Stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I wish in. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I wish in. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. ever let go. Stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, fight for intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I'm wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.